Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can post videos on your Facebook in your iPhone. Well, it is very easy. So first of all, open your Facebook application, make sure that you are logged into your account, and from here you can simply tap on this image icon that you can see in the top right here. If you tap on it, your gallery will be opened and you can simply select the video that you want to upload to your Facebook. Just like this, I'm going to select this particular video. Then you can tap on next right here. So after doing that, here you can simply add any caption about the video if you want, or you can simply tap on edit if you want to edit this video. Here you can also get many options like public, add album, or if you want to upload it to Instagram or not, or if you want to add a AI label on it or not, or anything like that. Here you can also add how you are feeling about this post and many more. So when you are done with everything and when you're satisfied, all you have to do is tap on next right here, and then here you'll also get this option of sharing this to your story. If you want to do that, you can enable it. If you want to boost your post, you can also enable this, and then you can also get many options like post to audience. Here you can see currently it is public. If you want to change it, you can tap on it and you can select if you only want your friends or if you only want only to you. You can do that according to your need, and when you're done you can tap on post option right here, and just like this, here you can see my post is being uploaded, and within few minutes my post will successfully be uploaded on my Facebook account. And just like this, here you can see my video has successfully been posted to Facebook. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.